Welcome to solverfy.
42.82. So we're hitting some silver with neutrons, and it produces the two isotopes, silver 108 and silver 110, denoting the silver 110 things with the primes. They have these half-lives and these initial activities. And so what we want to do is make a semi-log plot that shows the total combined decay rate as a function of time from t equals 0 when we stop irradiating it to t equals 10 minutes. So first we need to figure out what the function is we're plotting. It will be helpful to have time in the same units for both. So 2.4 minutes is 145 seconds. So what we're wanting to plot is this. Of course, when you're actually plotting it, you should not bother taking like the logarithms of it. It's just going to make your life miserable. Any sort of plotting facility you want to use should have just a semi-log plotting function, and you just use that directly. So r naught e to the negative lambda t plus r naught prime e to the negative lambda prime t. So r naught is this, r naught prime is this, and lambda, as usual, is the natural log of 2 divided by the half-life. And so if we do this, we get a plot like shown here. 600 seconds is 10 minutes. And so we see that from looking at this, we have sort of this initial slope and pardon me, and this final slope with some, some curvy stuff in the middle that we don't want to think about. And so we've seen before that if you have a semi-log plot of just one exponential function, it's a straight line. So it turns out here that the slope of, well, I mean, it turns out, maybe not the right. But anyway, so here the initial slope, which is when the heavier isotope is sort of dominating the decay. So its rate is a lot faster, and its initial activity is higher. So the slope here is going to be lambda prime, and then the slope out here is going to be lambda. And in this case, since you actually have the function you're plotting, you could also plot these lines of one with the slope of lambda prime and one with the slope of lambda, and you would find that this is the case.